Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into OPPO A54s. First of all, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers option. And here we got 2 blocked numbers. So for example, for unlocking this last number, click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And we got success message. So let's try again this number and tap here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.